mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. 24 Wednesday Racing. Starting time alas 5 ng hapon. Mayroon tayong 7 races. At yung race 1, 2, and 3, 1,200. At yung race 4 hanggang 7 ay 1,400. Race number 1, first choice. Number 7, Eyes on Sunrise. Second choice, number 5, Adorable Felicia. Ito pala ang umpisa ng winner take all na may carry over noong linggo ito. 3,334,065. Race number 2, first choice number 1, Dugong Bughaw. Second choice number 2, Axis Deviation. Third choice number 7, Taipan 1. Race 3, first choice number 7, Lucky No No. Second choice number 5, Beautiful Day. Race 4, first choice number 6, California King. Second choice number 1, Darna. Third choice number 3, Polite Bell. Race number 5. Itong race number 5 ay may Super 6, bali dalawa at saka yung last race. Dito ikakarga yung carry over ng Super 6, 48,267. First choice natin, number 7, Gianchi. Second choice, number 10, Watts Bell. Third choice, number 3, Lighting Bolt. Race 6, race na may Pentapecta. First choice, number 8, American Faria. Second choice, number 4, Enigmatic Linden. Third choice, couple d'entry, 2, King Hans. 2A, Benji's Prayer. Race 7, first choice, number 6, Don Lucas. Second choice, number 2, Mr. Brown. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!